Rightio, welcome to another episode, end of 2022. So this is obviously the last episode of the year. So I figured I'd throw together a bit of a build to date type video for all the highlights of the year so far. So hope you enjoy it, and remember to hit that like button. And for those who haven't already, give that subscribe button a bit of a tap. And for all those that actually have subscribed and comment on all the videos, I actually enjoy getting back to all you guys and reading all the comments in the comment section. So yeah, be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, now let's just step back in time and have a look at the build so far. How's it going? Welcome to the channel. So I decided to just sort of start this. Who even is this bloke? But before I was here, had to get the shed built, so let's jump back to whatever footage I have of that. It was then finally time to get stuck into the build. Rightio, 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 welcome to another episode. Definitely had my fair share of stuff ups along the way, but you know, it's all part of having a crack. So I'm stuffed up. So that didn't work, but always managed to make it work one way or another. But I tell you what, I definitely lifted my fair share of yellow tongue throughout the year, and I reckon I may have maxed out the roof capacity on my four-wheel drive once or twice, but she gets the job done. That was going there, bang with the nail gun. Reckon I've put myself in some interesting positions once or twice. Yeah, no, I don't do any yoga, but maybe I should. Rightio, so we're back in the shed. This is the first video I'm doing since I first put up a video onto YouTube. So have no idea what anyone thinks of any of these videos yet, so yeah, we're still going. So anyways, so I've been to Bunnings this morning, and I tell you what, I've definitely been to Bunnings a lot. Right, so I'm having one of those days. This is my third trip to Bunnings. Bloody hell. But getting power and lights put in the shed, that was a big milestone to tick off the list, and it meant that I could use the shed a lot more hours of the day. Bloody ripper. Now, wouldn't be a shed without some sort of shed ornaments on the wall, so this is the first of many. And there are some expensive shed decorations. Thanks, Vic Roads. Even managed to get some solar on the roof. And then I decided to burn the joint down. Still don't know if I regret this or not. Right, so I might be regretting this. It is really messy. But one thing I don't regret are all the drawers I put in, and I'm probably going to put more in. So up until now, I was making do with whatever second-hand tools and old tools that I've collected over the years with. And I finally decided to open up my wallet. And well, yeah, here you go. Righto, I've done it. I've joined Team Red. So with all these new tools, they needed a new home. So got a bit creative on SketchUp, and well, we got stuck into it. And then it was finally time to retire the old trestle table. This episode, we are finally getting rid of this old trestle table. Righto. There you go. So hope you enjoyed that. Give the video a bit of a thumbs up, and yeah, Happy New Year. We'll see you in 2023. So plenty of things for next year, but until then, keep having a crack. See you in the new year.